Hi guys, how to turn on sync in Google Chrome. Now, open a new Google Chrome browser window on your computer. Make sure you're using Chrome, not another browser, because the sync feature works best here. Click on the three dots icon in the top right-hand corner of the screen to open the menu, then scroll down and click on Settings. This is where all your Chrome customization and sync controls live. From the left sidebar menu, select You and Google and confirm that you are signed into the correct Google account you wish to use. Here's a common mistake. People often forget they're signed into a secondary account and their bookmarks go to the wrong place. Click the Turn on Sync button located right next to your profile name, then confirm by clicking Yes, I'm in on the pop-up window. Once you do this, your data will start syncing across all devices signed into this account. To choose specific items, click on Sync in Google Services, select Manage What You Sync, and switch the toggle to Customize Sync so you can manually check or uncheck data like bookmarks, passwords, and history.